Hi friends, welcome to Linux Fork. My name is Chandan and today we are going to learn how we can connect a Ubuntu system using XRDP. Okay, so in this videos we will see how we can install XRDP protocol inside the Ubuntu virtual machine. For the information, mostly Linux by default we are using as a command line mode only, but sometime requirement is coming, some people want as a GUI they can use. So for that we can install the XRDP protocol inside the VM, and also we will provide we will install one desktop environment. Either you can install Ubuntu desktop environment or XFS desktop environment, whatever the environment you want to install, you can install and connect that VM as a Windows like that using XRDP or in a GUI mode. Okay, using XRDP protocol. So how we can do this? So let's see. We can install it and see how we can connect it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, I am on terminal now. Just switch with root user. So just I am passing the password here. Okay, now what are the packages needed to install? Just install. Okay, just I have copied here all the command, so just I am copying and pasting here. So just update the index of the package. So done, that index is updated now. Okay, next step is to install desktop environment. Here I am going to use XFS CE4 version. Okay, so I am going to use XFS CE4. Okay, so it will take some time to install it, so just wait. Okay, so as we can see, our desktop environment installation completed. Now install the XRDP. Okay, sudo apt-get -y for passing the argument to yes, install XRDP. Okay, so I am going to install XRDP. Okay, so XRDP protocol we have installed. Now check the service of XRDP. systemctl status XRDP. So XRDP protocol is running. Okay, this daemon is running. Now what we need to do, we need to enable this. Just enable, so it on boot enable. Now next step is to we have installed the GUI environment, we have installed XRDP protocol. Now create a session for XRDP. Okay, using XFCE4. Okay, I am creating a session for that. The session creation is done. Okay, now just restart the service of XRDP. Okay, just restart it. So whatever the session we have created, it's reflected after restart the service of XRDP. Okay, and remember this VM I have created as a user. Okay, user based VM creation is this one. If you have created your VM based on the SSH key, then you need to create a local user. Okay, here I am using my main user as a local user, okay, because I have created the VM based on username and password. Okay, currently this XRDP it's not supporting SSH, okay, SSH based authentication or using key, it's not supporting. So please create a user inside the system and then connect it. I am using my default user. Okay, so let's say all the things is done. Now come back to Azure side. Okay, so here we need to open the port 43389. okay, just go to networking of that VM, click on add inbound role, put that RDP protocol 3389, destination port, any connection, just give the name 3389 RDP, whatever name you want to give, you can give. Okay, just add it. Okay, now open XRDP, open RDP here, not XRDP, RDP. Just click here, just copy the IP of that server, paste it and try to connect. Okay, yes, now give the username. I have given kiosk and password, whatever password you have given, put that password here and click on OK. Okay, so as we can see, I am able to access the XCE4 desktop environment. Okay, so that's all in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get more video like this on this channel. Okay, thank you for watching.